Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we are making a strawberry shortcake ice cream cake. It is as delicious as it sounds. It's made with less than 10 ingredients and is totally no bake because I don't know anyone that likes turning on the oven in the summer. We're gonna start by making a very simple strawberry sauce. So I have some frozen strawberries that have started to thaw. I'm gonna add those into a skillet with some sugar and some water. So we're just gonna give that a good stir, and we're going to cook it down over medium-high heat until they are nice and soft. Our strawberries are nice and soft and our sugar is all dissolved, so I'm just going to give them a buzz with the immersion blender to break them up. Then we're gonna stir together some cornstarch and cream to give it a nice thick and creamy texture. So our sauce is done and it smells amazing. I'm just gonna pour it into a bowl to cool off, and then we'll get started on the rest of our cake layers. So our strawberry sauce has cooled to room temperature, and now we are gonna make our cookie layers. I'm gonna put these into a large bag and smash them up. This is a great job for the kids to help out with, or if you're having a bad day and you wanna take it out yourself, you go for it. I'm just going to pour them into a bowl with my melted butter, give it a good stir, and then we will start assembling our ice cream cake. So all of our layers are ready. We have our cookie crumbs, our strawberry sauce, and for our ice cream layers, we are using Chapman strawberry shortcake ice cream that has been sitting out for at least 30 minutes, so it's nice and soft. It is my current favorite. It's made with fresh cream, loaded with strawberries and white cake pieces. It is really gonna make this cake. So I'm gonna start with one layer of our cookie crumbs, and I'm gonna add about half of them into the bottom of the pan. Then I'm gonna top with half of our ice cream and a big scoop or two of strawberry sauce. We might not use all of this sauce. I actually like to save a little bit to serve after. So our ice cream cake is ready for the freezer. You really want to give it a good long time to freeze. I like to make this the day before I have to serve it, so I know it's going to be nice and firm when it's time to slice. So I have an ice cream cake ready, frozen, that I just pulled out of the freezer. I'm going to garnish with some fresh sweetened whipped cream and some fresh strawberries. So that's how you make my easy strawberry shortcake ice cream cake. The perfect, easy, no-bake dessert for summer that everyone will love. For the full recipe, head over to thereciperebel.com.